what do you call this one? Ripe banana and cinnamon. Especially if you're gonna go to bed, say 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Say 10 o'clock. Eat 2 fingers of ripe banana half an hour before you go to bed. You can put cinnamon on it, or you can also drink cinnamon tea. You don't have to take sleeping pill if you cannot sleep. Yeah, it's very good for sleeping. It's very, very help you to doze off. All right. Yeah, but you can also do cinnamon powder, because cinnamon powder is really good to help you to sleep quickly, and also ripe banana. Ripe banana is very easy to cook, easy to sleep, make you doze off quickly. All right. Yeah. So get 2 fingers of ripe banana. Eat them 30 minutes before you go to bed.